Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Taxnote app is and how it's positioned. Taxnote is described on official App Store listings as a simple accounting and bookkeeping app designed for tracking income and expenses without requiring registration. According to official descriptions, users can quickly enter transactions with just a few taps, and the app automatically converts entries into a double-entry accounting format. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on verified information, the app falls into the accounting and bookkeeping category, focusing on simplicity and fast manual data entry for individuals and small businesses. The app includes features such as recording income and expenses by selecting categories, which helps organize financial data into a structured journal. It also allows exporting data into formats like CSV or Excel, enabling further analysis or tax preparation outside the app. Official sources indicate users can view summaries of their finances through daily, monthly, or yearly overviews within the app. Taxnote also supports features like recurring entries, which may automatically record repeated transactions such as rent or salary, depending on the version used. Additional functionality includes tools like a built-in calculator, passcode protection, and continuous input for faster data entry, as mentioned in official listings. The app may include cloud sync and multi-device access through paid options, but availability depends on subscription features and should be verified before use. Security aspects such as local data handling and optional cloud backup are referenced, though detailed technical specifics are not fully disclosed publicly. This app may be useful for freelancers, gig workers, or small business owners who want a lightweight way to track income and expenses without complex setup. For users interested in simple bookkeeping with manual entry and spreadsheet export options, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.